Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to show your birth month to your mutually following in X. Sharing your birth month with those you mutually follow can create stronger connections and enhance your sense of community. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, navigate to the top right corner and find the account icon. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, look for the profile option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, find the section for your birthday. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Within the birthday settings, tap on Month and Day to specify the visibility of your birth month. Step 8. Among the available options, choose You Follow Each Other to show your birth month exclusively to those you mutually follow. Step 9. Once you've made the selection, take a moment to review and confirm your preference. Step 10. Finally, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show your birth month to your mutually following in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials and guides.